Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to make your own sports bag, and I'm going to be using this beautiful fabric and then this string. I'm using a cotton string for the bag. So guys, let's get started. Hello guys, so you can see our final product. It's very beautiful and simple. You can actually make it in 5 minutes, and you can like and subscribe to my channel, and please remember to share with other friends as well, and I'll be waiting to hear from you. Bye.